How to get Adobe free trial. Adobe offers free trials for its creative software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and the entire Creative Cloud suite. Here's how you can activate your free trial. Step 1. Visit Adobe's official website. Open your browser and go to www.adobe.com. Navigate to the software you want to try or the Creative Cloud section. Step 2. Select the software for free trial. Click on the free trial button for the software you wish to try, Photoshop, Illustrator, Acrobat Pro, etc. If you want access to multiple apps, select the Creative Cloud All Apps trial. Step 3. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you already have an Adobe account, log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up and enter your email, name, and password. Step 4. Choose your plan. Select the plan that corresponds to your trial. Single app plan for one specific app. All apps plan includes the entire Creative Cloud suite. Confirm your choice to proceed. Step 5. Add payment information. Provide a valid credit debit card or PayPal details. Adobe will not charge during the trial period but will bill you after 7 days unless canceled. Step 6. Download and install the software. Once your trial is activated, download the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. Use the app to install the software you want to try. Launch the software and start exploring its features. Step 7. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Log in to your Adobe account at www.adobe.com. Navigate to Plans, Manage Plan. Select Cancel Plan before the trial ends to avoid charges. By following these steps, you can enjoy Adobe's powerful creative tools for free during the trial period and decide if it's the right solution for your needs.